So how do you get your move goal back on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the move goal is like a, target which you're aiming for in terms of the activity. So there are 3 goals for the calories, exercise minutes, and stand hours, and they are all customizable. So if you open up the Apple Watch, go to the activity, you can see that you can swipe up and go to the red section for exercise, for the move. And in each section, you have the plus and minus button in the bottom right corner. So you can click it like that, and you can change it for today or change it generally for every day. So if you change it just for the day, you can bump up and lower down at the actual goal. And if you had it set to something else before, you can get it back to the original state, right? So perhaps if you are used to using it or having a different goal, you can, lower it down, bump it up, whatever. Or you can perform a much more permanent change, which will, not reset the next day. And that is if you change it altogether. Again, it's the very same principle, but this time it will not be for just one day only. So that's how you can change it. This applies, as I said, for the calorie goal, for the exercise minutes, as well as the stand hours. So yeah, that's how you can change it and get your original goals back if you want to do that. But let me know in the comments below what exactly you had in mind, if we managed to actually fix the issue for you and help you out. If not, let me know what exactly it was so I can actually make an updated video and help you out even more. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe so you do not miss those videos, and I'll see you later.